Hey guys, welcome to our new development video. So I like to show off my, I don't know, Roblox game. I'm apologize if it's lagging. I had to use graphics, but you have to check this out. Oh, you know this? Um, you can pass, haha, and then wait for a minute. It closes. Yes, I'm learning Roblox coding. It's pretty cool. Feels like the fuck ass FNAF door or something. It's like one of those I know doors. It like goes up instead of like rotation whatever. It's pretty cool to me, and then it just that after. That's the greatest fucking thing I've ever done. You should agree with me, guys. Haha. um, I go out like this is so cool. It uses tweens. It's pretty cool still. I If this was code in Unity, then I'm forced to put a shit of Victor.lerp or something, and it'll be not really good, man. Feels like an elevator. Still learning Roblox development. I don't like, yeah, I don't, yeah, okay.